Welcome back to another day's video. I have actually a surprise. We are on Off-Road Outlaws today. But, as you guys see, yeah, I have a lot of money. Not a lot of gold, because you guys know, I always use gold for everything. But, I'm going to show you, like, my new trucks that I got. I've been working hard. So, tell me what you think in the comments. First, we got this four-wheeler. Yeah, just don't mind all the other trucks. We got a Hummer. Pretty nice. I got a dirt bike. I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate on that dirt bike, but oh well. Got me a new side by side. And got me a little racing truck. A little dirty on the back, but oh well. And we got my boat. Yep, my boat. That's not all I have. So, if I zoom past all these right here, you seen that one? For the Tennessee people that were supposedly not allowed to have lower trucks, I lowered my own trucks. Bought some trucks. This I bought. Come catch me. It's an off-road truck. Of course, it's like all my trucks. This is another lowered truck. It's a school bus, though. They're not bad. It's actually a cool bus. And then we got this one. I'm actually going to drive this one today to show you guys what this one can do and why I have it. Got my trailer, like always. I don't know if you guys have seen this. Yep. I did not fully build this, but you guys have seen this. So we are going to get this one out. And I think I have one. So we're going to go, let's go see what we can find. If you know what so we are going to be playing, I don't know. Let me show you on this one. Yep. So, let's go. We're going to get into it and find out what we're doing. So, I don't actually remember what is in there, but so I don't ruin all the fun. So we're going to line her up. And I'll show you what she can do. I made it a little bouncy truck. So when yeah, got me a bouncy truck. I haven't really drove it around a lot to see like how big of a deal this is. You guys have probably seen from my recent upload of me making like a little short right here. Yeah, this is actually the first time I drove this truck, was right here. I'm just like, hey, let's make a YouTube. I'm like, whoa, why is it bouncing? But it's not a bad truck, I will say that. I like it a lot. It just, I made it this way. Didn't think it was actually going to bounce a lot. But instead, I get this. Holy cow, that's a big truck. Yo, homie's got Diesel Killer 4.2. Oh, I think I hit him. But let's find out what's in here. And I also have this truck. Wherever in the world he went. This is a really nice off-roading truck, I will say that. really nice. I love it. I took it off-roading. I guess someone wants to race someone. Because, oh, someone over there. Follow me. Ooh, let's go find out who it is. So who's racing? I want to join. Don't mind if I just jump into it. Ooh, what's up here? Let's see. Why is everyone lining up? Three, two. What are they doing? I'm not in this. I'm just wee. I came in second place. Completely. I need an e-brake in this thing really bad. Yeah, this truck ain't too fast without some NOS. Yo. That's how, yeah, I never knew that was up there. Hey. You know, there's something they should add is where you can, like, get into other people's vehicles and drive with them. It'd be so cool. Here soon, actually. I know you guys probably won't be able to join because right after this, I'm actually going to start a live stream. Because I just thought about it. Perfect timing. Not doing anything. Hey there, buddy. Gotta go fast. Ooh, this ain't a drifting game, but I'm making it drift. But yeah, I'm doing 10 minutes like always. Wee. But this is actually not a really bad truck. I recommend buying it in this. It looks way better this way. It can off-road pretty good. Honestly, I love this truck. And the whole reason I bought it is because one of my friends were like, oh, I can't wait to get this much money, you know, to buy it. And I was like, oh, watch this boot. And I kind of like it, honestly. It's a nice truck. The only thing I did is take off the main colors of it. The only reason it was muddy. Well, if it just sits here, will it get muddy? I'm trying not to get it too muddy. Rear-wheel drive. How well does it go through the mud and rear-wheel drive? Back-wheel drive. I mean, the front lifts up. Yeah, I got it muddy anyways because I like how it spins. Off-Road Outlaws, if you watch this, you guys really need to make some mud that we get stuck in. Like little mud holes like this. But when we go through it, we can go through it all-wheel drive and get stuck. Or we'll clean it up. Oops, sorry, dude. You see, I don't really like my trucks getting muddy. But then I do. Because they look cool. But then I put a paint job on it so people can see it, not see a whole bunch of mud. Let's see something. What car can get up it faster? That truck? Or this one? Ready? Let's do it. Rear-wheel drive. Real. Yo, this is proven. This truck's good. Look how crazy I switched it. Okay, it's in all-wheel drive now. And it's just climbing. Yo, if this truck ain't good, I don't know what truck is. Like, this is a really nice truck. I do recommend getting this truck. I give this truck a 10 out of 10 because it's just that good of a truck. Now this truck, we're about to find out the value of this. I think I had lock hubs on, I don't know. We're gonna line it up. Same place. This is gonna end up badly, because this thing will pop straight up. Crap. The, yeah, that was a big difference, but okay. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'll do some more tests with my other trucks. Until then, stick around and find out.